are bones. Bones, the support system. You have seen umbrellas, kites, and paper lanterns. A cloth is fitted over the framework of iron sticks to make an umbrella. The framework gives the umbrella its shape. The cloth gets support. The sticks of the kite support the kite's paper. In the same way, bones in our body support our body and give it its shape. Support example. Try this. Take a cup. Place it in a strip of newspaper, a string, a pencil, a strip of cloth. Which of these things stand upright in the cup? Now take 2 sticks from a broom. Apply some glue to each. Now stick the strip of paper to one stick and the cloth to the other. When the glue has dried, stand the cloth and paper strips in the cup once again. Now, which objects stand upright? The cloth and paper strips too stand upright because of the support of the sticks. Bones. Try this. Press your head, forehead, knees, arms and legs with your hands. We can feel that they are hard inside. What makes them so? These parts have bones inside them. Our body has many bones. Together, these bones form a framework called a skeleton. The skeleton gives the body its shape. It supports the body and also protects it. Bones in the body are of many different shapes. Some are long, some are short. Some are thick, some are thin. Some are rounded, some are flat. Bones of the thigh and the arm are long and thick. Facts about bones. Try this. As shown in the picture, observe your closed fist. Open the fist and observe your fingers again. Repeat this several times. In how many places did you bend your fingers? How many bones do you think there are in each finger? The bones of the chest form a kind of cage. The backbone is actually a chain of bones, each called a vertebra. If you press your fingers down someone's backbone, you can feel the bones in the chain. Bones contain calcium and phosphorus and a fibrous substance called collagen. Did you know how many bones are there in the human body? There are 270 bones in a newborn baby's body. As the baby grows, some bones join together to form single bones. A full-grown person's body has 206 bones. Plaster. When road accidents happen, people are hit on their arms, legs or head. Bones are broken or get cracks. To help bones to join again, they are put in plaster. In a few weeks, bones are joined together as good as new.